My name is Michele Silva. I'm a local radio show host as well as news director, news reporter. I am 51 years old, so of course very concerned about my skin. I know I have some sunspots and some aging, some wrinkles, and so today I was fortunate enough to have Marissa give me the Dermaplane as well as a chemical peel. We did the Red Door chemical peel, and I'd heard about it, but then when you're experiencing it, when you're laying there on the table, it's a little different. You don't know exactly what to expect, but very comfortable bed, first of all. And loved working with Marissa, loved having her work on my face because she's very trusting, very kind. She explained everything she was doing to my face, even when she was just cleansing it, and different products that she would be putting on it. For instance, when you hear the word acid, you think, what? But so we got through the dermaplaning, and my face felt terrific afterwards. She took special care in certain areas that I thought I'd be concerned about. And then from there, we went on to chemical peel, it was the Red Door chemical peel, and my face is already feeling so much better. I mean, it just feels so smooth. I mean, I feel like it's shining. Isn't it shining? Marissa, you talked me into it because my face feels better already. I'm just anxious for the days to come. I want to take better care of my skin and my face now, and just really enjoyed being here. It's a very comfortable atmosphere. You don't feel like you're in some doctor's office, and everybody's just so friendly. It's trendy, and I think I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee. Thank you girls all so much.